Hey guys, welcome back to Zander Dreams, where we discuss everything business and entrepreneurship. Today I'm going to share with you the steps to start your own clothing brand in 2023. The fashion industry is constantly evolving, and starting a clothing brand can be both exciting and challenging. But with the right strategies and tools, you can turn your vision into a successful business. So let's get started. Step 1. You want to define your brand's identity. The first step in starting a clothing brand is defining your brand's identity, and this includes the target market, brand values, and unique selling proposition. Determine who your ideal customer is, what they value, and what problems your clothing can solve for them. Your brand's identity should reflect your values and mission. Step 2. You want to conduct market research. Market research is critical to understanding the competitive landscape and identifying opportunities for growth. Analyze the market trends, customer behaviors, and competitors. Study their pricing strategies, product quality, and marketing tactics. Use this information to inform your branding, pricing, and product development strategies. The third step is to create your business plan. Your business plan should include your brand's mission statement, market research, product development strategy, marketing plan, financial projections, and organizational structure. It will serve as a roadmap for your business, guiding your decision making and helping you stay on track. It's important to have a clear plan before you launch your brand. The fourth step is to develop your products. Once you have defined your brand's identity, conducted your market research, and created your business plan, it's now time to start developing your products. This includes designing, sourcing materials, and manufacturing. Consider factors such as costs, quality, and sustainability when selecting materials and manufacturing partners. The fifth step is to build your online presence. In today's era of the digital space, having an online presence is crucial for any business. Build a website that reflects your brand's identity and showcases your products. Utilize social media platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube to reach your target audience and build your brand's following. The sixth step is to launch and promote your brand. This is now the time to launch your brand and start promoting it. Use your marketing plan to promote your brand on social media, email marketing, and influencer collaborations. Host events such as pop-up shops to connect with your target market in person. Remember, launching your brand is just the beginning, and continuous promotion is key to building a successful business. But of course, all of this will depend on your finances or your pockets. Essentially, what you plan on spending or how much you have to spend. Do bear in mind that starting a clothing brand won't be an easy way of stepping out into entrepreneurship. However, clothes are always in demand, so the market will always be there, even though it is saturated. You just need to find ways of standing out and coming up with new designs, fresh ideas, and just something that people or certain group of people might like. Starting a clothing brand in 2023 requires dedication, hard work, and a solid plan. By defining your brand's identity, conducting market research, creating a business plan, developing your products, building your online presence, and launching and promoting your brand, you can turn your vision into a reality. I hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and thank you so much for watching. If you have any more business ideas that you would like me to talk about or give you some information on, then let me know in the comments down below, and I will definitely do that for you guys.